Welcome to this tutorial on how to set a stop loss on Robinhood Crypto, a crucial risk management tool for cryptocurrency traders. Setting a stop loss helps limit potential losses by automatically selling a cryptocurrency when it falls to a certain price. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the cryptocurrency you want to set a stop loss for. Tap on the cryptocurrency to go to its detail page. Next, tap on the trade button and select sell. You will see an option to set a stop loss order. Tap on stop loss and enter the price at which you want to sell the cryptocurrency. For example, if you bought Bitcoin at $40,000 and you want to limit your loss to 10%, you would set the stop loss at $36,000. This means if the price of Bitcoin falls to $36,000, Robinhood will automatically sell your Bitcoin to prevent further losses. It is essential to set a stop loss price that is reasonable and based on your risk tolerance. Setting a stop loss too close to the current price can result in the order being triggered by minor price fluctuations, while setting it too far away may not provide adequate protection. Additionally, consider using a stop limit order, which allows you to specify a limit price and a stop price. The stop price is the price at which the stop loss is triggered, and the limit price is the price at which the sale is executed. To set a stop limit order, tap on Stop Limit and enter both the stop price and the limit price. For instance, you could set a stop price at $36,000 and a limit price at $35,000. This means if the price of Bitcoin falls to $36,000, Robinhood will attempt to sell your Bitcoin at $35,000. In conclusion, setting a stop loss on Robinhood Crypto is a straightforward process that can help you manage risk and limit potential losses. By following these steps and considering your risk tolerance, you can effectively use stop loss orders to protect your cryptocurrency investments. Remember to always monitor your stop loss orders and adjust them as needed to ensure they remain aligned with your investment strategy.